Good morning, everybody. Brian Morris here. It is Thursday, September 27th. I'm torn here. I would probably look to sell this more to the downside more than an EMA bounce just because of the penetration of this candle is what's really making me think otherwise. I would expect this more to, let's take a sell on down close here. That seems like the more likely play. It's kind of not really a double bottom. It's more of a recharge continuation. We do have an EMA bounce, but I don't like the fact that this candle came down and breached the EMA and support. So we'll play this as a sell on down close. So we'll pause the video and see what develops. Okay, we are in. I was correct in this. Hopefully we don't get a three tail, which is always possible too. But again, this candle here is what's really pushing me in the other direction there. So slow market. So we'll pause the video and see what develops. All right, we got some good movement down here. We'll move our stop to just above that candle. Per the rules, it cuts our risk in half. You know, it really already did go 8 ticks because of one tick of slippage that I tried to keep. Alright, well, it came down to 8 ticks, but I had a tick of slippage, so I missed being filled by 1 tick, which you saw. And then I moved my stop up to 950, and then it came up and hit my stop. So we're down 30. Down 30. So one trade, we'll get back into play on that one. So we'll pause the video and wait for something more solid. I may even wait till about 10 o'clock or quarter till 10 to trade. Just I don't have a lot of success in the early morning. I should have moved the stop up when I had the tick of slippage, but I usually go for 9 and it's usually okay. So I thought maybe it would still be a 9 tick move, but sometimes it only gives you 8. So I'm trying to work in the 8 ticks right now. So we'll pause and see what develops here. All right, market's been open for 7 or 8 minutes. Probably time to start paying attention and looking to see. I thought about closing on down close, selling on down close here, as we have another double top situation going on here. Need to raise my stop just to make sure that give it room. I'm going to try to go for 9 ticks on this one. And we'll pause the video and see what. And of course, in true fashion, it goes against me. It was a little choppy there. There was really no entry other than the double top. Let's see if this one gives us a recharge. Although that was a good opportunity right there with this pullback. Alright, got those ticks. Got 8 ticks back there. Oh, 10 ticks. Slippage. Fast movement. Had another one here, but didn't pull back quite enough for me. I don't like these as much. They're very risky, but when you get a lot of volume like this and a quick pullback, it's not enough to trigger a white candle, but could be valid. It's not the true system, but you know me, I like to go rogue. This was another little pullback there, but not really good enough. Better to wait for a good trade and try to chase bad ones. We'll pause the video and see if something sets up. Alright, we're going to buy on up close. This is a full recharge here. Broke resistance. Came down for a so it's going to be another frustrating day. Might try to get out of this with just a little profit. If it'll go back up, it's going to start ranging again. See if this tries to break out again. That would be fantastic. Might give myself a little bit more room and then just manage the stop. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and take a little profit if it'll go back up there again. I want to bounce off this resistance level there. I touched it again, it just didn't fill us. Just trying to get out of this with some dignity, and there it goes. Yeah, of course. Well, I got some ticks out of that. It should have stayed with the initial thought of moving my stop up, or my profit target up. Well, we'll pause and wait for another one to set up. We're down 50 right now. Probably more like 70 after commissions. See if we can get a couple more good ones and not go for a million trades today. Okay, we're going to go ahead and buy this double bottom here. Got a tick of slippage, but I'm hoping we can still get 8. We'll pause. Alright, it's on the move. Come on. Nice. Finally getting some wins here. Let's get out of this hole, wait for some more trade setups. Alright, I walked away a little bit. I was waiting for this to set up, and it finally did. Actually, it was this candle I think I was looking at. Finally broke a double top here. That would have been a winner. There's a double bottom here, but that probably wouldn't have been a trade I would have taken. Looking for a recharge here. Moved up 13 candles, and then let's see if we can get a pullback and back up. So I'll pause the video and see if this one sets up. Right, this one did trigger, and boy, lots of slippage on that one. I may have missed my opportunity to close that out. I'm going to bring that down and see if we can't get, I'm going to also move this stop up for, oh, okay, cool, we got it. Looks like the 6 ticks on that one. Lots of slippage on that one. Alright, we're up 20. So let's see what we need to get to our $40, $50 profit here. So we're at 6 trades times 4.5 per trade, 27. So I'm still down 7. So I need 1 or 2 more good trades. Should have stayed in that guy, huh? Alright, we'll pause the video and wait for another good setup. Alright, we're going to try and sell on down close here. Broke support. Got our white candle retrace. Looking for another white candle to the downside. See if we can get that. We got some support down here with this EMA if it does trigger, so we'll have to keep an eye on that. But we'll see if this triggers. Alright, it moved up a few bars to give us a little bit more breathing room here, but I also ended up with, wow, a full point of slippage. That hurts. Let's see what it gives us. Wow, I can't believe it's a slippage of a full point. I don't get that very often. Looks like it might take us out. It's got some momentum to the upside. Well, here we go. Push back down for me. Come on, go. Come on, you want to go down there? Go. Alright, well, we'll pause and see what happens there. Okay, look like it might try to make a move up, but now we've got a new resistance level up here, so maybe it'll give us what we need to push down here some. Come on. Well, it gave us the 8 ticks from the original start point. Now it's pulling back. Come on, go back down. Well, we can move this stop. Limit our risk a little bit now that it's moved down a bit. Come on, if I could get 25 or 30 out of this, I'd be, what is this, 25, so that's about 6 ticks right here. This would be a 30, that would be nice. I'd be happy with 25. Nice, got it. Alright, well, I like it when they work out. That one was a little nerve-wracking here. So let's see where we stand here. We're at 7 trades times 4.5. 31 minus 50. So 18. So really what I need is one more good winning regular trade. That's what I need. So we'll See if this sets up. This would be a nice EMA bounce plus this would be a double confirmation plus a double bottom if it wants to range back up. Well, I'll pause and see if this one triggers. That would be a nice way to finish this day off. Okay, this one did trigger. Looks like may have gotten a tick of slippage, but there's still room for it to get to where I need to go. I'm going to drop that just below the support level. I might even try to get that extra tick out of this if I can. There's room. We'll pause the video, see what makes of this. This is a good one because it's a double bottom and an EMA bounce. So there's a good in a range after. So there's a good possibility of this moving in our favor. So of course there's never 100%, and sometimes it goes against us. So we have to be prepared for that. We've been on a good roll. Had a bad start, but picked it up. Some nice trades. Just one more. If we win this one, we're done for the day. If we lose, then we're going to have to make it all up again. We'll pause the video and see what comes of it. Alright, we're getting a little movement to the upside here. See if we can get some momentum to push us back up. One tick away from being able to move or stop. There we go. Yeah, maybe we'll leave it. It's coming back down a bit. If it tries to come back down and retest this. And we'll pause, hope for the best. Alright, I was pushing up. I got to 7 ticks. Maybe 8. 50, 50. Yeah, I did get to 8 ticks. Didn't, let's see if we can get. Come on. 2 more ticks. 2 more ticks. Come on. Push it. I guess I'll move this back down and hope we get a fill. May have missed the opportunity. Come on. Market is very just doesn't seem like there's a lot of movement today. Alright, we got it. Let's see where we stand here. 8 trades, 4.5, minus 90. That's on our goal. We did it. Very nice. We had the first 2 were losers, and we had 6 straight winners. That's better than what we had the last few days. These 73 trades and 50-some trades, and that's like, it's nice to have a day where I didn't have a good feeling about starting off the day with a loss, but and this loss hurt a lot. But you know, you just gotta persevere, stay calm, roll with the losers, be prepared to lose, and move on. And this one looks like it just took us out to the tick, so I'm glad I pulled that back down. Well, let me pause the video and get the spreadsheet ready. We'll wrap that up. Okay, let's get this guy finished up here. Sorry for the long videos the last couple days. What do we have? 90. So how many ticks did we have? 18 ticks today. Almost finishing our first full month. Trades taken, we had 8, 6 winners, 2 losers. More of our average. Look at that, $234 yesterday in commissions. That's nuts. $54 net. That's where we stand. 18 trading days. So yeah, we're doing all right. Doing okay. Alright, well, that's it for today. Tomorrow's Friday. It's also non-farm payroll day. No, it's not. That's next week. Yeah, tomorrow's the 28th, so the 5th. So we got one more week. But tomorrow is Friday still. Sometimes they can be tricky. And, boy, I need to get that win percentage up over 70. I'd like to get it up over 75. Yesterday, the last 2 days killed me. 65% and 59%. Those are rough. I need some more of these 100% days. Anyway, that's it for today. See you guys tomorrow.